Hello, can you take me to Central Park, please?
Of course. Would you like the fastest route or the cheapest one?
Hmm, the cheapest one, please. I'm not in a rush.
No problem. It will take around 20 minutes.
That's okay. How much will it cost?
About $15.
All right, that's fine. Do you take card?
Yes, I take card and cash.
Perfect. It's a nice day today.
Yes, very sunny. Good day for a walk in the park.
Exactly. I'm meeting my friend there.
That sounds nice. We are almost there.
Great, thank you.
Here we are, Central Park.
Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
You too. Enjoy your time at the park.
Hi there. Can you drive me to the train station, please?
Sure. Do you mean the main station?
Yes, the central one. My train leaves in 30 minutes.
No worries. We should get there in 15 minutes if traffic is okay.
Great. Do you know if the road is busy now?
A little busy, but not too bad. I'll take a shortcut.
Thank you. I was worried I might be late.
You'll be fine. Just relax.
Thanks. How much will the ride cost?
Around $10.
Okay. I have cash.
Perfect. We are almost there.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a safe trip.
Thanks. Bye.
Goodbye.
Good morning. Can you take me to the airport, please?
Good morning. Yes, of course. Which terminal?
Terminal 2, please. My flight is at 9 a.m.
All right. We should arrive in about 25 minutes.
Perfect. I hope there's no traffic.
It's still early, so the roads are clear.
That's good. Thank you. Do you drive to the airport often?
Yes, many people travel in the morning. I know the way very well.
That makes me feel better. I always get nervous before flying.
No worries, you're in good hands.
Thanks. How much will the ride be?
About $25.
Okay. I'll pay by card at the end.
Sure, no problem. We are almost there.
Thank you so much for the ride.
You're welcome. Have a safe flight.
Thanks. Bye.
Goodbye.
Hi. Can you take me to 45 King Street, please?
Sure. Is that near the big supermarket?
Yes, right next to it. That's my building.
Got it. It's about a 15-minute ride from here.
That's fine. I had a long day at work.
I understand. You can relax now.
Thank you. Do you work until late?
Yes, I usually finish around midnight.
Wow, that's a long day.
Yes, but I meet many nice people.
That's true. You seem very kind.
Thank you. We're almost there.
Great. How much do I owe you?
$12.
Here you go. Keep the change.
Thanks a lot. Have a good night.
You too. Bye. Hello. Can you take me to Bella Cafe on Green Street?
Hi. Yes, I know that place. It's near the library, right?
Yes, that's the one. I'm meeting a friend for lunch.
Sounds nice. It should take about 10 minutes to get there.
Perfect. I haven't seen her in weeks.
Then you'll have a lot to talk about.
Definitely. Do you like that cafe?
Yes, they have great coffee. I go there sometimes after work.
Nice. I'll try their coffee today then.
Here we are, Bella Cafe.
That was quick. How much is it?
Only $8.
Here you go. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your lunch.
Thanks. Bye.
Goodbye.